Hey everyone, it's Leslie at Leslie's Cookies and Treats, and I made this cookie using a snowflake stencil and I really didn't like it, so I wanted to show you that you can change your cookies and you can come up with a whole new design and all is not lost. In fact, one of my most favorite cookies came from when I put my finger into wet royal icing and I came up with a whole new design for a dented truck, and I absolutely love this cookie. Anyway, back to the snowflake cookie. So the cookie had been drying for probably an hour or so when I decided I just didn't like any of them. So I'm taking my boo-boo stick from the Cookie Countess and I am scraping off all of the blue icing. Now the background of this cookie is a crackle background, so that did not come off when I scraped it. And now I'm just going to spread some blue icing back over the top of the crackle just to give the icing a blue tint. So I put the icing down and then I scraped it off. And then I decided I would just make a snowflake using icing instead of doing the stencil. And so I'm using 15-second royal icing and I'm just going to do a snowflake pattern on this cookie. To do that, you want to pipe a ball of icing at the end, stop squeezing, drag a line to the other side, and pipe a ball. And I'm doing the same process in the center, just with littler balls. So pipe a small ball of icing and stop squeezing and drag the line to the center. And now I'm going to add some dots at the end of that, and this cookie will be done. I like how it turned out much better. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please help me out by hitting the like and subscribe button. See you next week.